How will AI change the way we live and work in the next 10 years? What are the biggest risks and challenges we face with the rise of AI? Welcome back to another AI Daily Buzz special. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force that's reshaping how we live, work, and connect with the world. It's already impacting industries like healthcare, education, and transportation. But in the next decade, its influence will go even further, touching nearly every part of our lives. From redefining how we interact with technology to solving complex global challenges, AI is setting the stage for an exciting and sometimes uncertain future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of 7 incredible ways AI is going to shape the world we live in and why understanding these changes is crucial. So if you're ready to explore the future of AI and its potential to revolutionize our lives, stick around. Let's dive into the first way AI is set to make waves. Number 1. Personalized healthcare. AI is set to transform healthcare by making it more precise, personalized, and efficient. Imagine visiting a doctor and having an AI-powered system analyze your medical history, genetic profile, and lifestyle habits to recommend the best treatment options specifically for you. Early disease detection will become faster and more accurate as AI analyzes medical scans and patient data, identifying warning signs long before symptoms appear. But it doesn't stop there. Virtual health assistants will provide 24/7 care, answering questions, monitoring chronic conditions, and even reminding patients to take their medications. This personalized approach will not only improve health outcomes but also make healthcare more accessible and affordable worldwide. On a larger scale, AI will enable hospitals and healthcare systems to optimize resources. Predictive algorithms will help allocate staff, beds, and equipment more efficiently, ensuring that care is available when and where it's needed most. AI-powered drug discovery will also accelerate the development of new treatments, potentially finding cures for diseases faster than ever before. With AI streamlining every aspect of healthcare, the future promises longer, healthier lives for millions. Number 2. Smarter cities. AI is set to transform urban living by powering smarter cities. From optimizing traffic flow with real-time data to managing energy usage efficiently, AI will make cities more livable and sustainable. For instance, self-driving cars and AI-controlled public transportation systems will reduce congestion and make commuting faster and safer. On the environmental front, AI will monitor air and water quality, predict weather patterns, and help cities adapt to climate change. Imagine streetlights that adjust brightness based on foot traffic or waste management systems that optimize collection routes in real time. Beyond efficiency, AI will enhance safety. Advanced surveillance systems powered by AI could identify and respond to emergencies faster, whether it's detecting a fire, predicting a building collapse, or locating someone in need of medical assistance. AI can also analyze crime patterns, enabling law enforcement to proactively prevent incidents. This fusion of technology and urban planning will make cities not only smarter, but also safer, more resilient, and better prepared for the challenges of the future. Number 3. Education reinvented. In the future, AI will redefine how we learn. Personalized learning platforms powered by AI will adapt to each student's pace, strengths, and weaknesses, creating a truly customized educational experience. Whether you're a child in school or an adult learning new skills, AI will make the process more engaging and effective. Virtual tutors will be available 24/7, helping students solve problems and grasp concepts outside traditional classrooms. AI could also provide real-time feedback to teachers, highlighting which students need additional support. With these tools, education will become more inclusive and accessible, bridging gaps across socioeconomic barriers. Furthermore, AI will open up new learning opportunities in fields like coding, robotics, and even emotional intelligence. Imagine training simulations where AI acts as both a guide and a collaborator, making learning hands-on and immersive. AI will also revolutionize language learning, enabling real-time practice with conversational AI that adapts to your level, helping students anywhere master new languages quickly and confidently. Number 4. Creative collaboration. AI is already enhancing creativity, but in the coming years, it will become a true collaborator. From generating ideas for movies and books to creating music and art, AI will empower artists and creators to push boundaries like never before. Imagine an AI that helps writers draft stories, musicians compose melodies, or filmmakers visualize entire scenes. This doesn't mean AI will replace human creativity, it will complement it, taking care of repetitive tasks while allowing creators to focus on the emotional and innovative aspects of their work. We'll also see new art forms emerge where human creativity and AI ingenuity merge into something entirely unique. AI-generated art or music might not just be tools but collaborators, giving rise to creations that blend the best of both worlds. Beyond individual projects, AI could enable global collaborations by connecting creators across borders, allowing them to co-create in real time, regardless of language barriers or location. The possibilities for innovation are endless. Number 5, revolutionizing the workplace. The workplace of the future will look dramatically different thanks to AI. Automation will handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their jobs. For example, AI will manage scheduling, analyze large datasets, and even provide insights to improve decision-making. Remote work will also benefit from AI-powered tools that optimize workflows, enhance virtual collaboration, and even generate realistic virtual environments for meetings. AI won't just make us more productive, it will redefine what work means, emphasizing innovation and problem-solving over routine tasks. Additionally, AI will play a crucial role in workforce training. Adaptive learning platforms will tailor skill development programs to individual employees, helping them stay relevant in rapidly changing industries. Real-time language translation and cultural sensitivity tools will also make global collaboration seamless, breaking down barriers between teams in different countries. AI will also enable better workplace health and wellness management. By analyzing data such as workload patterns or employee engagement levels, AI can suggest interventions to prevent burnout and improve overall well-being. For leadership, AI-driven analytics will help identify talent gaps, streamline hiring processes, and provide actionable insights to improve team dynamics. AI's integration into the workplace promises a future where humans and technology work together to unlock unprecedented potential, fostering innovation, creativity, and inclusivity on a global scale. Number 6, global problem solving. AI will play a critical role in tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges. From predicting natural disasters to optimizing renewable energy usage, AI will help address issues that impact millions of lives. For example, AI-powered models can simulate climate change scenarios, enabling policymakers to make informed decisions to protect the planet. In agriculture, AI will help improve crop yields, reduce water usage, and fight pests, ensuring food security for a growing global population. AI will also revolutionize disaster response by analyzing real-time data to predict and mitigate the impact of hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods. Additionally, AI-driven healthcare initiatives will combat global pandemics by identifying outbreaks early, tracking their spread, and accelerating vaccine development. By processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns humans can't, AI will be an essential tool in creating a sustainable and equitable future, while addressing challenges that were once considered insurmountable. Number 7, ethical dilemmas and human connection. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it will also challenge us to confront ethical questions and redefine our relationship with technology. For instance, how do we ensure AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we balance convenience with privacy? Who decides how AI is developed and deployed? And how do we ensure these decisions reflect diverse perspectives and values? AI will shape how we connect with each other, from enhancing virtual reality experiences to enabling real-time language translation that breaks down communication barriers. It holds the promise of creating a more interconnected world, where people can collaborate seamlessly across cultures and languages. However, deeper questions arise about dependency on AI. Could over-reliance on AI weaken interpersonal skills or diminish the value of face-to-face interactions? Will AI-mediated relationships feel less authentic, or could they enhance human connection in new ways? The challenge lies in ensuring that AI complements rather than replaces the emotional depth and complexity of human interactions. We must also grapple with issues of trust. For example, how do we ensure AI-powered communication platforms safeguard against misinformation or manipulation? Encouraging collaboration between humans and AI rather than full automation will help retain the creativity, empathy, and nuance that define us. Striking the right balance will be key to ensuring AI enhances our lives without diminishing what makes us human. AI is set to change the world in incredible ways over the next decade, from revolutionizing healthcare and education to solving global challenges and redefining creativity. But these advancements also come with questions and responsibilities. How we embrace AI, shape its development, and address its risks will determine whether it becomes a tool for progress or a source of division. If you're as fascinated by the future of AI as I am, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these 7 changes are you most excited or concerned about? Let's continue the conversation about how AI will shape the world we share.